I get it. You're frustrated. I totally understand. I've been there as well. But never fear, because your favorite nail tech is here to save you and your nail career. I made you guys a 6-video series that's going to help you learn how to do nails from A to Z, from what tools you need to how to finish the nail. So go ahead and watch this first video with what tools you need to start to learn acrylic nails.
All right, let's get started. The first thing on the list is an electric file. Mine's from Young Nails. It's a little pricey, so shop around. It's okay to shop around for your budget. Also, we need a hand file. This is 100/180. My preference. You need some tips. These are my preference. These ones and the ones I'm about to show you next, but I do have 3 that I prefer. So you need some neutral ones and some clear. You're gonna need all these bits. Don't worry, it's not that many, but these are your primary bits you need. So the first one is a sanding band on this little piece right here. I forgot what it's called. I'll put it on the screen. And the second one you're gonna need is this soak off bit. So for the soak off bit, I got mine from Hannah, which is on Amazon. Links will be in the description. And this I got on Amazon as well, actually. And these are preparation bits, so you'll need those. Then you're gonna need that final bit to finish file the nails. Then you're gonna need one of these dust collectors, and mine is from a cart. You're gonna need some nail cleanser, cleanse the nails. Then you're gonna need your brush, of course, for your powder and your liquid. And you're gonna need your powder, which I would suggest get a clear, get a cover color, and get a white. I strongly will suggest you try out Young Nails or Valentino. Then you're gonna need liquid monomer. I just put it in here, but this is the brand that I use. Young Nails, of course. And don't forget your primer. Protein Bond from Young Nails. And some cuticle oil I just use and make myself. And you're gonna need your really important 3 implements. You're gonna need your pusher, your nipper, and your clipper. And then you're gonna need a nail lamp. This was mine. I was cleaning it for y'all so y'all could see it better, but it has a couple settings on there. It has one for like sensitive heat, and of course the regular 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 10 seconds if you need a flash cure. You're gonna need some top coat. This is my favorite. Ask any nail tech, get that one. And you're going to need KDS glue. Love that glue. And some nailer, of course. Pick whatever you like. And some scissors. Of course I use a tip cutter, but some nail client of mine, their kid hid it somewhere and I just found it yesterday, but that's it.
And that is what you need to do your set of acrylic nails. Go ahead and watch the next video to learn how to do prep.